Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to place a GTT order using RMoney Tradion app. So let's first understand what is GTT order and when it is used. In GTT order, you predefine a price condition, and when the stock reaches that price, the system automatically places a buy or sell order. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Once you log in into the app, go to the order section and locate the GTT order. Once you select GTT order, tap on create GTT order. And now search the stock you want to buy and open the order window. Now enter the quantity, and now here you have to select the condition under which your order triggered. Here you have two options. In the first case, LTP is greater than your limit price, and the second case where LTP is lower than your limit price. You can also choose another condition, which is 52-week high, which means that if a certain stock crosses the 52-week high, you want to buy that particular stock. Once you choose that, now you have to enter the trigger price. So a trigger price is the price at which your GTT order gets activated. This means when a stock price reaches the trigger price, your order is automatically sent to the exchange. Once all the details are filled, swipe on create GTT order, and just like that, your GTT order will be successfully placed, and your GTT order will remain active until the trigger price hit, or you cancel that order manually. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps. If in case you have any doubts or have any queries, please comment down below. Until then, happy trading.